If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Steam, this guide will help you navigate the process step by step. Follow these instructions to successfully verify your account. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your Steam account. Look for any verification emails from Steam and follow the instructions provided. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 2. Use the Steam mobile app. Download and open the Steam mobile app. Log into your account and navigate to the Steam Guide section. You can use the app to generate a verification code that can help you bypass issues with email verification. Step 3. Reset your password. If verification continues to fail, consider resetting your password. Go to the Steam login page, click on Forgot Your Password, and follow the prompts to reset it. This may help refresh your account settings. Step 4. Contact Steam support. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once your identity is verified, enable two-factor authentication for added security. This will help prevent future verification issues and keep your account safe. Go to your account settings and follow the prompts to set it up. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Steam. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek help from Steam support.